Team Harris is on site preparing for an emergency sewer repair. First, the crew prepares the worksite before any excavation begins. Next, we begin breaking ground with a jackhammer before utilizing the backhoe to excavate. Now the backhoe is used for excavating down to the main sewer line. The team will continue to navigate the backhoe operator as they dig deeper and reach the broken pipe. Now that we have located the broken section of pipe, the team will begin preparing the grounds for removal of the old pipe and the installation of the new extra heavy cast iron pipe. The new section of cast iron pipe is now connected to the existing piping that was found to be in good working order. The crew will now cut down the next section of pipe in preparation for installation. Now we take the final measurements before the repair is completed. The final section of pipe is now folded in, making for a sound connection of the new cast iron piping.